go to trail, yeah, I'm go. What you want? Yeah, I'm go, yeah, go to Rock City, yeah, I'm go, we're going to the city, what you want? Oh, yeah, welcome to the quarantine. Today we're gonna make breakfast bagels with salmon that I caught from Alaska. These are bagels that we got from the farmer's market. I put the crumbled onions and the black peppers on it, and I buttered it with some Irish butter. And now I'm going to pour olive oil, not a lot though. And now we're going to take them in. Toast. So this is salmon that we caught last summer from Alaska. Me and my brother, we vacuum froze it. We had to carry it into the airplane, and it was in a big box because there was a lot of salmon that we caught. It's gonna be so good on top of our bagels. So it's be nice. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Break them out. Spread some cream cheese all over it, the top of them. And then we're gonna put this awesome salmon that I caught from Alaska. It was light the whole time we were there. Even at night, the sun was still up. And it was super pretty because we got to fly in the plane. And we saw bears catching salmon, and we saw a bunch of seals. Yeah, we got to drive the plane. It was fun. It was really loud, so we had to wear like these headphones, and we could hear each other through the headphones. And my headphones didn't work, so when I told him that I wanted to stop flying, they couldn't hear me. Now we're gonna spread it with the toppings. Minced salmon and diced onions. Yeah, if the cats ate the bagels, they would love the salmon because they always eat salmon. Yeah, when we eat salmon, we just give it to them. Sometimes. Also when we eat chicken. They love it. And one of them tries to steal it from our plates. Huddy. That's you, Huddy. We all know you try to steal it from our plates. Don't act like you're an innocent man. Okay. Plate them up. Onions, guys. You guys got them. We're not putting too much onions because we already have too much salmon brown. Bump, 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 bump. We're making 4. 1 for me, 1 for my dad, 1 for my mom, and 1 for Mazzy. So you obviously don't think you stole them. Okay, but you did. We're gonna, Mama. Come upstairs. We're going outside. Buddy, we're not letting you eat our salmon this time. It's good. See you next time in the quarantine.